The Young and the Restless spoilers reveal that Billy is in a mess, and for the first time he's not really guilty. However, his bad past behavior will make it much more difficult to come out of this mess. Actor Jason Thompson recently previewed this upcoming story on screen with Soap Opera Digest. It's no secret that Billy believes the city of Genoa would be better if Adam left. He spent years grappling with his rage at Adam after his actions led to Delia's death. The mourning father recently helped publish an explanation of all of Adam's misconduct without caring that it did harm Faith and the other victims of Adam's crimes. Someone had tried to shoot Adam, however, and while this man had no shortage of enemies in town, a lot of fingers were directed at Billy, which he felt shocked. Chelsea asked him if he would pull the trigger, and then Ray wondered if he was going too far with his gift. Billy realized there could be a little bit of heat on him, and he better start shielding his bases. He's worried that he might have to take this more seriously than he initially thought. Billy didn't shoot him, but he opened up to a mass of people thinking he was going to do something like that, said Thompson. Things didn't go well for Billy for a while. He stabbed his brother in the back by lying to Phyllis. He later lost her after letting his gambling lose control. In a short time, he and Victoria reunite, but he's obsessed with taking revenge on Adam. He even had a split personality for a while, but managed to get over it. In the end, he and Victoria split up due to Billy's need for risky behavior. He became close to Amanda, but the lawyer prevented everything, and now he stumbles upon Lily. Things seem to be fine for him because he's doing well at Chancellor Communications. Unfortunately, he can't seem to express hatred towards Adam behind him, which means he will do almost anything for the second part of the post. Because he made it so famous, Billy could face serious intricacies about a crime he didn't commit. This will not go away. Things started to clear up for Billy, and he certainly found himself in hot water, and at this point, he has the lobster Thompson previewed. Now Billy needs to get a lawyer and make sure he erases his name before things go too far.